Thermi kitchen. So I'm making one of my very favorite desserts, and that's the crème brûlée. Absolutely love it, and it's my go-to dessert whenever I go out for a meal. And in fact, I went to a beautiful French restaurant last week and I paid $14 for that dessert. And to make your own crème brûlée in the Thermomix, it's literally just a couple of dollars per serve. So it's something we should all be doing because they are decadently beautiful. Now, what bemuses me is that people will often say how hard it is and how many fails they have. But try the traditional crème brûlée and it works every time, and it is super, super gorgeous to eat. So I've made mine here, and basically I just follow the guided recipe. I do no changes to it. I basically warm up the milk, add some sugar, add a bit of vanilla extract and some egg yolks. The Thermomix does the rest in just a few minutes. Then what you do is you actually then put them into a water bath. So this is what I do. So I will pop my ramekins in the water bath, and I will actually then top these up with the crème brûlée and then add water up to about halfway. And then they're cooked at 150 degrees for about 50 minutes, and that will set them beautifully, and then they go in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours. If you follow those rules, which are exactly what's on cookidoo, you're going to get the best crème brûlées ever. So I've just sprinkled on some, let me just pop this on here, some sugar, and I'm just going to now toast this. So there's my lovely torched crème brûlée. Listen to this, that lovely topping that we can have. And just to show you how absolutely beautiful and thick this is, I'm just going to just show you here just how lovely and creamy and thick that crème brûlée is. And of course I have to taste it. Crunch from the sugar, which is now set nicely, and the most silkiest, smooth crème brûlée, restaurant quality, at a fraction of the price. So it's the traditional crème brûlée on cookidoo. Try it. It never fails for me, and I hope it becomes one of your favorite desserts. Thanks, enjoy.